does Penn Consultants stay ahead of rapidly evolving cyber threats?
I don't have to encourage our team to keep learning and exploring and evolving. I have to encourage them to stop doing that long enough to work. A lot of new information in this space comes from public sources, being released through organizations such as CISA or MITRE or OWASP, in addition to social media such as X, formerly known as Twitter. People posting some new technique or approach on a blog post or whatever. Also from reading data breach reports, which oftentimes you have to read in between the lines, but seeing what the attackers are doing. Some of us also do research and bug bounty type stuff on the side as a hobby. So, downloading whatever the latest mobile app is or whatever the latest thing is trending in the news, some fancy new service or website. We go get an account and just start poking around, keeping up with the changes in web development practices and how that is introducing new vulnerabilities. So not just looking at things the same way every time, but coming up with even different attack vectors and tests associated with those. And as you might imagine, all of that makes it back into our testing guides to improve our testing process. In fact, there's literally not a single week that has gone by in the last decade in which we have not added something to our testing guides or made a process change or made a current process more efficient and thorough or added a completely new test or section to our guides. In other words, the guys we have on our team, they live, eat, and breathe this stuff.